Hey guys, sorry I'm standing this way. I can't, but I'm doing a little hand mojo tool. And we're back. So, we're going to do a squishy thing review. So, let's get started. First squishy. This is the first squishy, and it's very squishy. And I did get this from Swansea, and I do live in Swansea, and you'll realize why I'm saying that in short-term notice. So, yes. So I did go to England to get the other two, not just to get squishies, but for a certain reason. So that's why I'm speaking in English accent for 1 minute. Okay, so this squishy is a panda / galaxy, and I am doing squishy. So anyway, sorry, I speak into someone I know. But anyway, sorry about that. Difficulties. So it's like a panda. These are breaking, and my heart is open, and my heart is open. I'll leave the light on. Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna leave the light on. Dun. Okay. For the dancing. So this is, now we're gonna do pony mountains. Sorry, that is also breaking. See what I gotta deal with? It's so slow rising. Doesn't it annoy you when they're super slow rising and you're just like, why? That annoys me. Oh, I just made it super bright. That is not nice. I just want to make it super dark. That's bad. Okay, I just put it in the middle. Okay, right. Technically, take a picture of the squishy and I'm still recording. How cool is that? Next squishy. This squishy is from England and the other one will be as well. So I went to the hot air balloon show and I got 2 squishies. So it's a bigger one and they're quite rare to get. So it's kinda harder. So it is pretty soft. And it's a cheese bigger, as you can see. It's really nice. It doesn't look really realistic. And you can get the cat one. They did sell it there, but I couldn't get it because it sold out. But I did get the llama first. Llama. But this is cute. These ones are really rare, so I'm not filming my regular place for certain reasons, but yeah. I'm at my vampy's nana's, that's why. So, my grandparents, if you want to call that, on my father's side. So, yeah. So let's do clicking abilities. 3, 2, 1, go! Dun, 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 dun. I will leave my light on. Dun, 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 dun. Now on the front. Bun, 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 bun. Sounds like bug, but who cares? Dance around in my hot tub with a bear? That doesn't rhyme. I'm not good at rapping or rhyming. So, yes. So this is really nice and you can order it off the internet, I think. But I don't know. But I got this from England, so it's really nice. So next squishy. And we're back. So this one is also from England. So this is what it looks like. Spin you around again and again. So it is very nice. And it's very, very soft. This is one of the softer ones out of all of them. And it's very soft. And it's very nice because it's like, I did get this from England again. It's a llama with a flower and 3 different colors. So it's like, it's like on camera it's like greenish, but now it's like, for me it's bright, light blue. And like right now it's popping off the color, but what I can see, it's like really pastelish, but for you it's not. So this is actually really light blue, really pastel yellow, and really pastel purple. It's actually purple in real life, so but it does look nice and pink as well. It's sort of pink, it's just more purple. So it's like really squishy, so you can squish it and you go like this, and you go whoop, big on me. So just fell because of a crack. So we're gonna do it clicking. This is harder because my dad reckons it's a sheep. Comment down below if it's a sheep or a llama. It's a llama. And if you think it's a llama, put llama/Alys squad. If you think it's a sheep, put sheep/Matthew squad. And so here's another tool, and here, so da, 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 da. And I will leave a light on. Dun, 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 dun. And I will leave a light on. Dun. So that was the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And remember to squish the haters. So I love you guys all so much. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peace out, YouTube.